most effective and powerful antidote for anxiety is thanksgiving and praise. When we feel it coming on, or even begin to think about the possibility of it coming on, we want to nip it in the bud. We want to immediately stop and bow. 3 things to help us find the calm when we are encountering the overwhelming waves of anxiety. Number 1, bow. Yes, bow before Him. Bring all of your cares to Him. Lay them at His feet. Humble yourself before Him. Honor Him as God. He knows it all. He can handle it all. Bring all your heartache, your children, your spouse, your finances, your day, your future, your life, all of your concerns. God knows best. He knows how to work things according to His wise and loving will. Cast all of your cares upon Him, believing that He cares for you. God is able, you're not. He is God and you're not. Number 2, offload your angst. Humbly hold each thought up to the Word of God. Take your worry, your anxiety, your fear, your